Good day everyone. In this video, I will present our project called CCTC Visitors Management System or CCTC Visitor Log for short. Our system is built using Django, a powerful web framework for developing secure and scalable options applications. Upon running the code, the system will automatically direct you to the login page where the administrator can log in. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. The dashboard provides an overview of visitor activity, including total number of visitors, today's visitors, visitors from the last 7 days, yesterday's visitors. In the navigation bar, there is a visitor section with a drop-down menu containing two options. So first, add visitors allows the administrator to register a new visitor by entering details such as so first name, email, phone number, address, department to visit, person for the visit, and person to meet. After clicking the add button, a confirmation message will appear indicating that the visitor has been successfully added. Manage visitors display a list of registered visitors. Each entry includes the visitor name and their current status. So in indicates the visitors in current inside the campus, and out can be updated once the visitors leave the campus. The system automatically updates the dashboard statistics based on visitors' activity. For instance, when a visitor is added, they will be reflected in today's visitors count, ensuring accurate and real-time monitoring. This system enhances visitors tracking, improves security, and streamlines the management process within the campus. Additionally, administrators have the option to update the visitor's status or delete the record if necessary. That's all. Thank you for watching.